Today, I'm going to walk you through how to connect your domain to Cloudflare step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have your domain set up and protected on Cloudflare, which means faster load times, better security, and overall improved performance for your website. Whether you're new to all this or just need a reminder, I've got you covered. Let's get started right away. First things first, open up Cloudflare in your web browser. If you already have a Cloudflare account, sign in as usual. If you're new here, you'll need to create an account. It's super straightforward. Just like signing up for most online services. Once you're logged in and ready to go, look for the option labeled Domains in the Cloudflare dashboard. This section is where you manage all the domains you'll be adding or working on with Cloudflare. Go ahead and click on Domains inside. You'll see a button or a prompt that says something like Onboard a Domain. This is your next step. Click it to begin the process of adding your website to the Cloudflare network. Now, Cloudflare needs to know exactly which domain you want to protect and optimize. You'll find a field labeled Type the domain you have. Here S where you enter your domain name, for example. For this tutorial, I'll just use test.com as a placeholder. Of course, make sure you type in your own real domain here, exactly as you registered it, including the .com or your particular extension. Take a moment to check your spelling before you proceed. It's a small detail, but it makes all the difference in getting things set up properly. Once that's typed in, click Continue. Cloudflare will now do a quick scan of your current DNS settings, which is just a fancy way of saying it gathers the basic setup information it needs to keep your site running smoothly during the transition. After a moment, you'll be prompted to select a plan. Cloudflare offers a free plan with solid basics, as well as paid options with extra features for those who need a bit more. Don't stress too much about this. Most sites can start with the free plan and always upgrade later if needed. Choose the plan that fits your needs best and hit Continue. Next, Cloudflare will show you the DNS records it's detected. DNS records are like phone books for the internet. They tell visitors where to find your website. It's important to double-check this list and make sure all your records are present, so nothing gets lost in the switch. If your domain uses things like email or subdomains, just glance over the list to confirm everything looks in order. When you're satisfied, click Continue to activation. Now, Cloudflare will guide you through updating your domain's nameservers. This is a crucial step. Think of nameservers like the postal worker who makes sure everyone knows where your house is. Cloudflare will tell you the specific nameservers you need to use. Head over to your domain registrar's website, maybe that's GoDaddy Namecheap, or wherever you bought your domain, and find the area where you can update nameservers. Swap out the old ones for the addresses Cloudflare provided. Don't worry, it might look a little intimidating, but you're just copying and pasting addresses. Once you've updated your nameservers, come back to Cloudflare and click the button that says, I updated my nameservers. Cloudflare will now start checking for those updates. Sometimes, it can take a few minutes or even a couple hours for changes to take effect. So don't panic if you don't see your domain active instantly. To wrap up, head back to the Domains section in Cloudflare, and you should see your domain listed among your active sites. That's it, you've connected your domain to Cloudflare. Your website is now ready to enjoy Cloudflare's protection and speed. And you can manage everything easily from your dashboard. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up. And let me know in the comments if you ran into any issues or have questions. I'm here to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more clear step-by-step tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and happy hosting.